Namaskar. This is my traditional video. I want to express my good wishes for the new years. 2023 is almost done. 2024 is coming. So always I feel a tremendous gratitude for those past 12 months that we have been going through. It was challenging politically, economically, in many stratas of life. But, there are many things in the world. Entropy. The chaos is increasing, but the force of life is fighting with the chaos. And the life organizes the chaotic existence into something very disciplined and blissful. So that is the force of consciousness. So we have been together cultivating this consciousness by doing meditation, by contemplating the great ideas, increasing the harmony within ourselves and creating the harmony in the external world. So my good wishes are like this. I think most important is to follow the human destiny. Human destiny is for the greatness. Brihadeshanam pranidhanam chadharma. To run after infinity, to run after the greatness is human destiny. That greatness is not in the external world. That greatness in the infinite sky of human consciousness, infinite universe of human consciousness. That greatness is nothing but lifting yourself up from primitive thinking, primitive emotions, to the higher noble feelings and noble emotions. So that expansion, inner expansion, the light, the fire inside your heart has to burn very strong, very bright. I remember one song, it says, Amai choto ektimon diecho one kasharike. This is my guru. He has been writing songs. Because for some people, they read philosophy, they understand. But some people, frankly speaking, they're very bored with philosophy. But with the music, music is the vehicle of the ideas, they not feel bored. And in one song there is so much philosophy, you can write one book about it. So, amai chotto ektimon diecho, onek asharike. O Supreme Being, you have given me such a small mind, but you expect so much from me. I am a microcosm, I am so small, but expectation is so great that I will comprehend the infinity. I will be noble, I will be pure, I will be spiritual. But I'm small, I'm struggling with my smallness. Amai chotto ektimon diencho oneko sharike. You have given me such a small mind, but you expect from me so much. Dagcho amai tarai megir panki. You are calling me from the distant stars through the gaps between the clouds. Sometimes my mind becomes clear. In that clarity, in that gap, there are so clouds of my thoughts. So sometimes I become thoughtless. There are no thoughts. I become calm. So at that moment, the call of the divine calls me, come, and come. So, other words, you inspire me for the greatness. And then a human being complains, he says, oh, you bound me with so many things, with the smell, with the smells, with the green leaves, with the beautiful rivers, with the beautiful sky. I'm so attached with all those things. I'm so connected with all those things. So I cannot let go Still you are calling me from the distant stars. Come, come, come. So my wishes is that you always feel the divine call within yourself. That divine call inspires you for infinite love, inspires you for the magical atmosphere, to feel that presence, that universe is not empty, is not dry, is not mechanical, but it is full of joy. Life is flowing everywhere, connecting all things together, and I am part of all that. I am not a separate small being. I am interconnected with this entire universal order, and this entirety of the universe is within my consciousness itself. So that's the beautiful. I love this tiny green island surrounded by the sea, touched by the sea, decorated by the sea. I love this tiny green island surrounded by the sea. Am I a secluded figure in the vast, a little, a meager? No, 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 I am not alone. The great is with me. I love this tiny green island. I love my life, my tiny little existence. I love it. Am I alone? Am I secluded in the vast, in this vastness, devoid of life? No, the great is with me. This flow of life is everywhere, in every atom, in every molecule. I feel it throbbing in me as a blissful inspiration, calling me to move, to do the noble actions in the world, to achieve, not to give up, to struggle, and to triumph. So my wishes is that you feel that. In the New Year's, it is very important to do meditation. You remember, you are the force of order, you are the force of consciousness, fighting against the entropy breaking things apart, but the life is making things. So this eternal play between life and death, and you are on the side of life. And you must be increasing the amount of life within yourself. You must be increasing the amount of consciousness within yourself by practicing meditation, by reading uplifting books, by singing beautiful spiritual songs, and by connecting with each other. Yeah. When you meditate, you touch that, then with that flame, it says that one candle, one lamp can lit innumerable lamps. The touch of the great personality awakens innumerable sleeping hearts. So once you embody that consciousness within yourself, you have that flame. With that flame, you touch. It's just like a water. You know, in a desert, there were so many seeds waiting. And you put the water, and the desert turns into a beautiful garden. So this is what meditation is. First, turn the desert. I should turn the desert of my own heart in the beautiful green garden. And then, finding the water within myself, finding that divine inspiration within myself, I should go on watering the desert. And let all those tender green leaves come out of the ground and feel the exuberant joy of existence. This is what we are doing with you. So I wish you very, very happy 2024. Obstacles will be there. But this is the obstacle, is one thing. You are coming here, this is the obstacle. So now, what to do? No way, I cannot go. So problems, significant problems cannot be solved at the same level of thinking that we have created. Attributed to Albert Einstein, this. So what to do? There is no way forward. Meditate. Every day, meditate. Find inner inspiration. No, I will not give up. I am going to find the way. Then you climb up. So the obstacle you find is such a good friend. When you're meditating, when you're drawing the inspiration from inside, obstacle is such a good friend. It forces you to go higher, to become stronger, more powerful, more wise, more blissful. So I wish you very, very happy that you just experience that life within yourself every single day of 2024. So thank you very much. I am also happy to read your New Year greetings for every one of our community, and for myself also. In the comments you can write, and let us feel this day, let us feel happiness. Just feel that something new is coming, something new. And always when something new, you start something new. It's not like always old and old and old. Those old skeletons of the past, you have to let them go and embrace something new. It is also good time. If you have not done meditation before, start it now. Is the water that brings the life. Water is life. So meditation is life. Spirituality is life. See you in 2024. Namaskar.